Okay, we're going to work out the area of this compound shape. Now we know it's a compound shape because we've got two rectangles that have been fused together. And that's how we work out the answer, because we consider it as two rectangles. So let's split it up into two rectangles. Now I'm going to split it down here, but you could have just easily split it across there. You're going to get the same answer because it's still the same shape. And I'm going to label these rectangles A and B. That makes it easier for us when we're referring in our working out. So let's work out the area of rectangle A. And we're going to do, for areas of rectangles, that's length times width, so that's 13 times by 7. 13 times 7, that's 91 centimetres squared. Now the area of B, that's a bit more tricky, because we've got no measurements around B, so we're going to have to do some calculations. Let's consider the length of B first. The whole length of the shape is 14. We know this little bit is 7. So the remaining bit must be 7. Take away from 14, that's 7 centimetres. So we have a length. Same idea for working out the width of this shape. The whole shape is 13 centimetres. This bit is 7 centimetres, so the remaining bit must be 13 take away 7, which is 6 centimetres. The area of the shape then is length times width, so 7 times 6, 7 times 6, which is 42 centimetres squared. Now to work out the area of the whole shape, we're going to add both bits together. So that's 3, 9 and 4 is 13 centimetres squared. That's 133 centimetres squared for the area of that compound shape. Action. Okay, here's a question I would like you to have a go at home. We've got a compound shape. I would like you to work out the area of this compound shape. Now, I'm going to ask you to pause the video in a second and have a go. When you come back, I will go through the answer with you. Pause the video now. Okay, so let's go through the area of this compound shape. Now, I've already started to cut this shape up into the three parts. We've got rectangle A here, B and C. So let's start working out the area of these parts. Let's start with rectangle A. Now the length of rectangle A is 6 metres. Its width is 3 metres. And if we multiply those together, we get 18 metres squared. Let's look at rectangle B. Now this is slightly trickier because we're missing a crucial length here. Now we've got 9 centimetres along the bottom, we've got 3 there, we've got 2 there, so this is the missing bit to go up to 9. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 from the 9 makes that one 4. So the length of this rectangle is 4 metres. Now the height, again, we are missing, but we can work it out. We've got 4 metres there. The total height is 6 metres, so this height must be 2 metres to make that 6. So the height is 2, so 4 times 2 is 8 metres squared. Let's look at C. Now we know the length is 2, so let's put that in. The width we do not know. We've got this measurement here, which we've just worked out as 2. We've got this little extra one here, so that is 1 plus the 2 we've got, makes that 3 metres. So 2 times 3, which is 6 metres squared. Now, it's a compound shape, so let's add these up. 18 plus 8. 18 plus 8 is 26, plus the extra 6 is 32 metres squared. So the area of this compound shape is 32 metres squared.